Birds are often celebrated for their beauty and grace, but some species can be surprisingly dangerous. So, in this video we will talk about the top 10 most dangerous birds in the world. Number 1. Cassowary. With powerful legs and lethal kicks, it's best to keep a safe distance from this Australian bird. They're known to be territorial and protective of their young. Number 2. Lammergeier. Known for dropping bones from the sky to crack them open, the lammergeier is a fearsome scavenger. This bizarre behavior earned it the nickname Bone Crusher. Number 3. Harpy eagle. This giant eagle possesses strong talons that can crush bones and reigns supreme in South American rainforests. Its distinctive crest of feathers on the head resembles a crown. Number 4. Great horned owl. A stealthy nocturnal predator with powerful talons that can take down a variety of prey. They can rotate their heads up to 270 degrees for exceptional vision. Number 5. Vulture. Despite its scavenging nature, vultures have sharp beaks that they use for protection. Their keen eyesight helps them spot carrion from great heights. Number 6. Emu. Flightless and fast, the emu can deliver deadly kicks when threatened. They are the largest birds in Australia. Number 7. Crowned eagle. With strength and agility, it's a top predator in African forests. They are known to take down prey as large as monkeys. Number 8. Hooded pitohui. This New Guinean bird is poisonous, with skin and feathers containing a potent neurotoxin. It's the only known poisonous bird in the world. Number 9. Snowy owl. A formidable predator with sharp talons, often found in Arctic regions. These owls exhibit incredible white plumage, ideal for their snowy habitats. Number 10. Red-tailed hawk. A common but skilled hunter in North America, armed with powerful talons. The red tail in their name refers to their distinctive rust-colored tail feathers.